How many of you are going through something? Everybody raise your hand, because I know everybody going through something, okay? But let me tell you this. Worship God more than you worry about your problem, okay? Worrying about it is only giving it more attention. You are magnifying the issue. More than likely, you can't solve the issue. You can stop the situation. There's nothing you can do that can resolve the issue greater than what God can do, right? So God is the ultimate problem solver. The ultimate, right? The Bible tells us to keep our minds on Him, and He'll keep us in what? Perfect peace. So the more you think about this problem, this situation, this issue, it's not going to make it any better. You're going to feel like trash. And so why would God want you to feel like trash when you can just give it to Him? Didn't He say, give your burdens to Him, lay your burdens on Him, right? So that you can be light, right? Because He died for us so that He can carry the burdens of our life, not to make our lives more burdensome. That's the kind of God that we serve. He's going to take it for us, right? But He wants us to give Him something, right? Which is worship. So I dare you to take God at His word and magnify Him more than you magnify your problem, because you'll feel better, right? His yoke is easy. His burden is light. Light. You'll be light as a feather, right? It may not be resolved today, tomorrow, maybe even next year. But guess what? Keep worshiping and magnifying God. Meditate on His word. When? Day and night. When you wake up, meditate on His word. Before you go to bed, meditate on His word, right? Because He'll keep you in perfect peace if you keep your mind on Him. So let's keep our minds on God, okay? More than we do our problems.